What's up, guys? It's Mike. We're on the way out to the Brazos River. We're gonna do some fishing below the Highway 16 bridge. Start there, then just walk downstream a ways. All I brought gear-wise is just my fly rod and fly tackle. That's it. We're just gonna see if we can get on any fish. Gear-wise, the only thing I brought is my fly rod and just fly tackle. We're gonna see if we can get on any fish on the fly this afternoon. It's about 3:30 p.m. right now. It's pretty hot outside, like somewhere around 90 degrees. But at least we have some cloud cover, and there seems to be a small like storm cell rolling in behind me. I don't think it should be too big if it hits us. It rains on us a little bit. It is what it is. I'm not really scared of any rain, but hopefully there's not too much lightning or anything in it. We're almost there, so I'll see y'all when we get there and get down to the water. This is a Lamson liquid rod, and I believe it's a 5-weight. Pretty much a good all-arounder. I haven't got into fly fishing enough to have several different weights and whatnot, so I just kind of have this mid-range one. Just trying to figure out what I like to throw the best and when to use what type of bait, you know, so. Oh, yes sir, look at that. That was a nice grab. I don't think it's gonna be anything big. It looked like a sunfish. I think a red breast probably. Oh yeah, definitely. He's a pretty good sized one. Nice red breast. A lot of people get these confused for long ears because their ear is actually even more long than the long ear sunfish is. So a lot of people think this is a long ear, but this is a red breast sunfish, native to the Brazos River. At least good to know something's looking to eat some grasshoppers. And see, I think there's more fish down here because you can see a ledge right here off probably about 15 feet from that bank. Yep. Oh, something came up for it. Oh, that's a little closer to where I wanted to get. Oh, we had something there for a second. I just stopped recording right in the middle of that, but we're on something again. Feels a little bigger than that last one, but I think it's the same type of fish. He's actually a little bit smaller. Hook, what's happening here? There's one about the size we're looking for. Look at that. Now we have two very small redbreasts to put in the tank. Wait, buddy. I'm not sure if they're males or females. These are one of the hardest sunfish for me to sex, just because they both look very similar. The males just don't even have very bright colors, so. Look at that, we got us a little smallmouth. Well, I missed the bite, but we're on something from that little stream pocket right there. Little bass. What do we got? Little spotted bass. Heck yeah. Look at that little guy. Not bad. Dude, it's like 4 or 5 bites in a row right there that somehow just have not got hooked up. I don't know what's going on. This guy's a little bigger than I'd want to keep. And he's got some kind of weird thing on his tail, so not an ideal candidate. Lucky day. And we got a dinky largemouth. I had to switch flies because I had a fish bite it right off of those rocks, and then it got hung up on a rock, and so I had to break off the old grasshopper. It caught us a bunch of fish though, so I'm not really too sad about losing it because I have a bunch more. But switched over to this little Clouser minnow just to give it a try and see if we couldn't hook up on some bigger fish, because we kept missing a lot of those. But very first bite on this thing hooked him up, so that's cool. Of course my glasses are dead and we keep missing all these great blow-ups, but man, another hookup on the Clouser minnow, 2 for 2. So that's pretty cool. And this is a pretty big guy. I just realized I forgot to shoot an outro video on the same day for this. But thank you guys for joining me. It was a fun day at the river. We didn't get on any giants. Wasn't really expecting to because the water level's down so much. I did get a couple fish for the aquarium, which was cool, and got on a couple spotted, got on a couple smallmouth, so that was fun too. I appreciate everyone that watched. Please like the video, and if you like this content, please subscribe to the channel. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.